Ще розвертай. Планшети мені в руку. Давай. Все забрав?
Can't keep my nine straight, sipping on this Hennessy, waiting for the time to break. Show up and motherfuckers bow down, recognize West Side Death Row, outlaw riders. Catch Machiavelli while he's sleeping. My mini 14 murdering niggas while he creeping. Ducker you ass out, drink till you pass out. Ain't scared to die, drunk driving in my glass house. Untouchable mob of pistol packers, well-known fellas labeled for drugs, selling merciless jackets. Forever buzz, roll with thugs and dogs. Commence to letting off rounds, then escaping the fog. Who wanna see me solo? Niggas is under me, they bitches come to me. They heard the stories, nigga, now they wanna really see. Born first, my motto is fully guaranteed. Niggas is player haters, label them my enemies, I'm dumb.
Everybody that's proud of their motherfucking city. Yeah, are you proud of your motherfucking neighborhood? Yeah. Shit. Let's go. Southside, nigga, represent that shit. You from the Midwest, nigga, represent that shit. You from that East Coast, nigga, represent that shit. You from that West Coast, nigga, represent that shit. Get drunk in this bitch, shake a brand in this bitch. Get drunk in this bitch, throw some rolls in this bitch. Get drunk in this bitch, never stop that shit.
Давай мою відкривай.
Nigga, stop that shit.